What's up everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to make use of the ideogram AI to create images. So right here guys, in order for you to be able to create images using the ideogram.ai, you want to simply just sign in with an email address. And once you're done with that, you simply want to describe what you can see here. You want to simply give this a prompt and you are able to generate that image right there. So guys, I'm just going to paste in a prompt right here. So once you're done with this, you go on to this, tap on see all, and you want to simply select how you want your image to look like. So I'm going to make this of 3D render, cinematic, conceptual art, and anime right there. And I'm simply just going to tap on generate, and this is going to generate 4 different videos for me, and I simply just wait for some few seconds for this to be able to generate right here for me. So right here guys, as you can see, the images is done generating right here. So guys, this is how ideogram.ai actually works. Simply give this a prompt and it's going to generate amazing videos for you. So guys, simply try out this AI too if you want to simply create awesome images.